Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix the connection issues for these headphones. So I will show you 5 different methods. So let's start. The first method is about hard reset. So if you try to connect these headphones with your device and you are unable to make a successful connection, you can use the hard reset method. So what you can do is just press and hold this action button on left ear cup, and you also have to slide this Bluetooth button to this Bluetooth sign, and you have to do it together for 30 seconds. So I will press this action button and then I will also slide this Bluetooth button. So after 30 seconds you will see this LED light will blink amber. So we just have to wait for 30 seconds. So here you can see the light blink amber, then it will turn off and then it will turn on, and now you can leave the buttons. So now we will try to connect these headphones with our device. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth setting. Here it is showing Bose QC45. I will try to connect it. Okay, so you just have to wait and then it will ask you for the pairing. So here you can see select this pair option. And then here you can see the Bose QC45 are now connected with my device. If you want to allow these access to contacts, you can select allow, but I don't want, so I will select deny. So here you can see Bose QC45 are now connected with my device and they are ready to use. The next method is about Bluetooth unpairing. For example, if I open my phone's Bluetooth settings, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC45 in paired devices. But if I try to connect it, after few seconds, it will show me this message of couldn't connect. So how to fix this issue? First of all, select this settings icon. So I will select the settings icon, and here you can see we have this option of unpair. So select this unpair option and then select unpair again. Now what you have to do, on your headphones you will see this Bluetooth button. You have to slide it to this Bluetooth sign for 5 seconds. So I will just slide it for 5 seconds like this, and then after 5 seconds you can leave it. So I will just leave this button like this in the middle, and then what you have to do, you have to scan on your device again, and then it will show you Bose QC45. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see now it is showing me Bose QC45. I will select it, and then this time it will start making the connection. You just have to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see it is asking for the pairing request. I will select pair. Okay, and then here you can see Bose QC45 are now connected with my device. If you want to allow access to contacts, you can select allow, but I will select this deny option. So now these headphones are connected with my device and they are ready to use. The next method is about Bose Music app. For example, I open the Bose Music app. Here it is showing Bose QC45, but it is saying not available, and here it is still searching, and after a few seconds it will show you this option of connect. But if I select this connect option, after a few seconds it will not make any progress and you are unable to make any connection. So how to fix this issue? First of all, select this account icon on the top right corner. So we just select this account icon, and then here you see we have this option of manage products. So you have to select this manage products option, then select this edit option, and then select Bose QC45. And then here you see we have this option of delete. So I will select this delete option, and then I select this remove option. Now what you have to do, you will see we have this option of add product. So select add product, then select headphones and frame. If you want to create Bose account, you can select get started, but I don't want to create any account, so I will select this skip option, and then it will start searching for the devices. So here you can see it is showing Bose QC45. So before selecting this connect option, you have to slide this Bluetooth button. So on the right cup of these headphones, we have this Bluetooth button. So slide this Bluetooth button to this Bluetooth sign for 5 seconds. So I will slide this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds and then I can leave this button. So now I will leave this button and now I will select this connect option. So you just have to wait for a few seconds and then it will start making the connection with my headphones. So here you can see it is asking for the pairing. So I select this pair option. Okay. And then you just have to wait again for a few seconds. And here you can see it will ask you if you want to give it any name. I will select Bose QC45. Then I will select save and then you just have to wait. And then here you can see the setup is completed. Select this get started option. Your Bose QC45 is now connected with your device. You can open it and then you can use all the features and functions of these headphones. The next method is about updating the app. So if you try to connect these headphones with your device and sometimes you are able to make connection and sometimes you are unable to make the connection, you can use the update method. First of all, open the Bose Music app, select Bose QC45 and then select this settings icon. Okay, and then here you see we have this second option about product update. So you can select this option. And here it will show you the latest update for these headphones. So you have to install that update and then you are able to make the successful connection for these headphones. The next method is about deleting the Bose Music app. So if you try different methods and none of the method is working and you are still unable to make a successful connection, you can delete the Bose Music app and then try to connect these headphones with your Bluetooth. So I will press and hold this app. I will select uninstall and then I will press OK. Now the Bose Music app is uninstalled from my device. Now I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will go to my phone's Bluetooth settings and then what you have to do, you have to slide this Bluetooth button towards this Bluetooth sign for 5 seconds. So you just have to slide and hold it like this for 5 seconds and then after 5 seconds you can leave this button. Now what you can do is again select this scan option on your Bluetooth settings and then here it will show you Bose QC45. So I will try to connect it. So here you can see and then after a few seconds it will start making the connection and then it will ask you for pairing. Select this pair option and then here you can see Bose QC45 are now connected with my device. If you want to allow access to contacts, you can select allow, but I will select this deny option. So now you can also use these headphones without Bose Music app. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.